Good morning, honors students. My name is Professor Sackett-Taylor, or Prof. ST, and I'm the Honors Program Area Chair. I'm making this video to tell you all about advising registration period, which starts tomorrow. You should check your email inbox for an email from our administrative assistant, Gretchen Conrad, with the following step-by-step instructions to get you through advising registration period successfully for fall 2023 semester. You'll see on the schedule that the advising period for honors students starts tomorrow, Tuesday, February 14th, and runs through Thursday, February 23rd. Registration for all of your non-honors courses will open at 7 a.m. on Friday, February 24th. So the first thing you want to do is you want to sign into my Westfield and review your degree evaluation. In your degree evaluation, you'll find the honors block, where this is where we're tracking your honors program requirements, including minimum GPA and the credits that you need to get to that 18 credit total. Please, if you do not have an honors block in your degree evaluation, notify us immediately. So review the schedule of courses that are available next semester, and then match them up with the requirements you have remaining in your degree evaluation. Remember to check prerequisites and to consider the location or the travel time it might take to get between classes when you're making your ideal schedule. And I suggest that you talk to other students, ask them what classes they loved, and look for those. The next thing you'll want to do is set up an appointment with your major advisor. Your major advisor, the name of your major advisor, is listed in your degree evaluation. If you're an exploratory or an undeclared student, you can use the Academic Advising Center for your major advisor this semester. Email them to set up an appointment sometime between this week and next week. At this appointment, discuss your progress towards your major, minor, or other degree requirements and plan for the fall semester, and honestly, in my opinion, beyond. This is a great time to think about your academic and your professional goals much beyond next semester. Are you interested in internships or study abroad opportunities, research opportunities, or awards and scholarships that are available in your area? When are the next career fairs happening? You should be talking to your major advisor about all these things, not just what classes you want to sign up for. During your appointment with your major advisor, you must get your registration PIN number. The honors program will not be giving out registration PIN numbers because we expect that you'll be meeting and talking with your major advisor. If you want more advice on honors specific things, we have a number of options for you. We're hosting peer advising sessions with my honors interns. I'm hosting group advising sessions, and I have some one-on-one sessions available for people who meet certain criteria. You'll see that I have peer advising sessions happening today, and then every day this week, and then some of the days next week. I want to note that Monday is a university holiday, so the university will be closed, but we'll pick up again on Tuesday, even though we're following a Monday class schedule. Please make sure that you're talking to one of us if you need advice on meeting your honors requirements. If you are a student who's been notified that you're currently on honors probation status, or you're thinking about doing an honors course by contract, or you're interested in starting the SHP, or you're concerned about your ability to meet all of the honors program requirements, then you're eligible for a one-on-one appointment with me. In the email sent to you by Gretchen Conrad, there's an active link to a Calendly page where you can make an appointment with me either on Zoom or in my honors office in person. Please make sure that you make that appointment sooner than later because they will fill up. If you are a student in your sophomore or junior year and you're thinking about starting your senior honors project soon, you'll want to attend one of the senior honors project info sessions that I'm holding. I'm holding one from 1 to 2 p.m. on Wednesday, the 15th, and another one from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. on Friday, the 17th. If you can't make it to either of these sessions, but you are interested in starting your senior honors project next semester, please make a one-on-one appointment with me so we can make sure you're on track and you know all of the requirements. Okay, so now that you've seen your major advisor, gone to a group or a peer advising session, you have a fall schedule idea in mind, now you can go in and sign up for your honors courses through the virtual honors center Plato page. I want to be really clear. Students cannot register themselves for honors courses. The only way you get registered for honors courses is by using this process in the Virtual Honor Center Plato page. When you get into the Virtual Honor Center Plato page, you'll want to click on Advising Resources and then open the folder that says Submit Your Honors Course Preferences here. Use the spreadsheets to sign up for your first and second choice honors courses. We actually can't guarantee you a seat in your first choice, so it's always best to provide a second option. We'll be considering your class year by credits, how much progress you've already made towards the graduation requirements, your major or minor requirements, and if they overlap with the honors courses when we're making our enrollment decisions. The more information you give us, the better. So please help me make these decisions easier by including all the information we ask for in that spreadsheet. The deadline for submitting your honors course preferences will be noon on Wednesday, February 22nd. And that's because I need a day or so with Gretchen to go over all these spreadsheets and to make the decisions we need to make about honors course enrollment. We'll be putting you into your honors courses, so you'll see them already in your schedule when you sign in on Friday to sign up for your non-honors courses. Let me show you what the honors page looks like. So you're going to go to Organizations in Plato and then click on the Virtual Honor Center. Once you're in here, use the left-hand navigation menu and click on Advising Resources. So tomorrow, starting tomorrow, you'll see, first of all of this is available to you right now. We've got general advising information about what the graduation requirements are in honors, a fillable advising and registration form, a list of the courses that count in each of the Common Core areas, and some common registration error codes that you might get. You'll also see that the general schedule for advising and registration is here, along with our schedule of group and peer advising sessions. All right, so you're going to click Submit Your Honors Course Preferences here. Now, in this list, if you want us, this is the list of all the honors courses that we're offering in fall of 2023. If the name of the course is highlighted, let's look at Honors Intro to Native American Literature with Professor Diana. By clicking on the name, it will open up a course flyer that was made by the course instructor to tell you a little bit more about their course. So this is just giving you a little bit more information than what's available in the course description in the student handbook. Okay, now you can see that only a couple of them have flyers. I didn't get a flyer from every instructor, but there are several in there. To sign up for these courses, you have to click on the actual course prefix. So let's say you were interested in signing up for Intro to Native American Literature, then you would click ENGL 0115H01, which is English 115, Honors Section 1. And when you click this, it's going to open up a Google Doc with a spreadsheet. Now you'll see here all the requirements, the time, the place, the instructor, and the catalog description for the course. To sign up saying you would like to be enrolled in this course, you're going to fill in one row of this Google spreadsheet, and you're not going to change anyone else's rows. You're only going to fill in your own. So I'm looking for first and last name, your A number, then you're going to use a drop-down menu to select what your class year is by credits. You're going to fill in your overall GPA, and then you're going to tell me if this is an honors program requirement only, or if this course also counts for a major, a minor, a concentration, a certificate requirement, or the Common Core. Then you're going to rank them. Is this your first choice or your second choice course? And then you're going to tell me if you've put a first choice and a second choice in two different spreadsheets, do you want both or do you only want one? I need you to fill in all these pieces of information in this spreadsheet to ensure that you are going to be ready and I can make all the decisions that I need to make regarding honors enrollment. Okay, so that's a lot of information. All of this has been replicated for you. You have this document here with the step-by-step instructions in an email from Gretchen Conrad. So please check that out. And then go to the the Virtual Honor Center Plato page and look at the advising resources. And this is where you're going to find all the information you need in terms of enrolling for your honors courses in fall of 2023. Of course, if you have questions, please email me at honors@westfield.ma.edu or make an appointment with me this week or next week. Remember, honors registration for those of you in good standing, Friday, February 24th. All right, see you soon.